What's up, MarineMax friends and family? Today I'm going to be doing a video on the Tige Z5. As you can see on the exterior, this has a vivid black, which is the sparkly gel coat, along with the wolf gray, which is a super nice look. Making our way to the transom of this boat, you're going to see your TAPS 3T surf system, which kicks up a great wave, your thruster, as well as your silent surf exhaust, which is really going to elevate your experience out on the water. You're going to see your triple layer graphite design on your sea deck, which gives this boat a great contrast to the upholstery on the interior. You're also going to notice a very nice sun pad here in the rear with foldable seats. These are going to pop up and give you a nice lounge area here in the transom of your boat. Making our way into the cockpit, you're going to notice a vast amount of seating. It's going to give you a ton of seating options with a great seating capacity to bring all your friends and your family out on the water with you. You're going to see for this year, 2023, we have Audison sound system. It's going to be your cockpit speakers as well as your tower speakers with a new design. Ring lights, which gives your boat a great look on the interior. Ton of grab handles, ton of cup holders along both sides, as well as wireless charging, which is going to extend your day out on the water. You're also going to notice one of my favorite features in the Tige line, which is this sort of, not necessarily a wet bar, but definitely a bar. It's going to give you a couple cup holders here, as well as a trash can. Keep your boat nice and clean. Long day out on the water. You're going to see some transformation seating here in the cockpit. It's going to give you a great lounge area, be able to watch your riders there in the back. Making our way up to the helm, you're going to see this fully adjustable helm captain's chair. It's going to be able to spin, give you a nice conversational area here in the cockpit. Another wireless charging. This is going to be your smart wing controls on your steering wheel. You can control your surf system, your audio, your cruise control, and one of the great features produced by Tige, the Tige Clear, which is a great universal platform. It's going to pull all of your systems into one and give you a nice, easy to use screen, as well as keyless ignition, which is a great feature. It's a nice glove compartment there to store all your wallets, keys, etc. And making our way up to the bow, you're going to notice more cup holders, charger ports, grab handles, as well as your speakers. It's going to be an awesome hangout area here in the bow of this Tige Z5. Thank you guys for tuning in to this walkthrough video. This is a great looking boat, ton of great features. If you're interested in this boat or any other boats that MarineMax has to offer, feel free to contact me directly, Thatcher Smalley, at 918-541-6588, or give MarineMax a call. Thank you.